Hello my loves, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Anna, and today we are actually kind of creating a little bit of a dark spooky, I guess we're going into a dark spooky Christmas look is what happened. I don't know what I was expecting to happen because I was using the Blend Bunny Longing palette and got really into some super dark greens within this palette, and was having a lot of fun and just being like, ooh, I love this shade because this is my favorite color, the shade of green. These hunter greens. My number one color. I ended up just creating something real dark and smoky, and yeah, played with a couple new cheek things from Milani, and had a nice little time playing in some makeup because I can't sleep. So I thought, let's do some makeup together, and I am burning up right now. Am I having hot flashes? Am I perimenopausal? I don't know. But all I know is I'm burning up right now. But then again, it's also like really hot outside and humid and yucky, so that could be why. And the air has not kicked on for quite a few. So actually, I think I'm gonna go turn the air on because it's probably just that. Anyway, all that to say, if you want to see how I got this look, hang out with me and playing some makeup. Just go ahead, keep on watching. Blend Bunny Longing palette, green look. It's happening. It's happening today. This row right here. Oh yeah, so excited. So, eyes are primed, brows are on. Let's dive on in. I'm gonna start out using a Sigma blending brush, and we're gonna start with the green, lightest kind of mossy green color here called Star-Crossed. We're gonna take that one right here and start to run that through the kind of transition area. We're going to use that to kind of blend out our shades from there. Pretty cool. All right. I'm going to go to a smaller, a little more concentrated brush. Let's do a Sigma Firm Blender, and we're going to go to the shade called Bittersweet. Just a step down in depth right here. And we're going to take that a little bit deeper into the crease and outer corner and see how that goes. Nice. That looks really good. That blended so easily for such a shade that seems like it shouldn't be easy to work with. It really was. Wow. I'm quite impressed with Blend Bunny's formula. And did Robert Welch just come out with a collab with them? I think he did. And if so, good on him, dude. Good job on working with a high quality brand. Really fabulous formulas here. I love that color. That is the perfect, just hunter green. It's one of my favorite colors. My favorite colors in life in general is a good hunter green. I really want to paint a room a hunter green. Maybe my bedroom. Every time I use this palette, I'm just like, wow, it's a good palette. I'm actually going to take that a little bit more onto the lid, I think. Just a little. I just really like that color a lot. No, just kidding. I'm going all over the lid with it. Oh, that's pretty, you guys. Okay, I'm taking that lighter green again. And just gonna come dance around that edge. Alright, now let's take the deepest green called Unrequited Love. This one right here. Almost black. And we'll take that on a smaller brush. Itty bitty guy, so it doesn't get out of control. Taking on the outer corner and into the lashes. That's doing a really good job. And exactly what I needing it to do. Pretty. Now I'm going to take the shimmer called Remorse right here, it's kind of a golden green, a little bit of a duochrome type of shimmer. We're gonna put that on the inner corner. Right in here. Ooh, liking that. Very cool. I think I unintentionally have created a dark Christmas look. And oh, I love the way this has come out. So nice. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and do the lower lash line because I know I'm getting messy. Oh, I go first. I'm just gonna try to wipe away a little bit of this fallout. Now, lower lash line. I'm gonna take the same little brush here, and I'm gonna go straight into the darkest shade we used. And just run that right on along. Let that be pretty smoky. I'm going to take this Sorbet liner in the waterline. This is called Black Jade. Back to my little brush. Now I'm going to take the mid-tone that we used all over. Do a little bit of that right in here. And yeah, I know it looks very messy right now, and that's why I did my eyes first. Because girl, I knew I was going to get messy. I know me. You know me. I know me. We know me. I know you know me. Let's do a little touch of that lightest shade. All right, and then the shimmer. Grungy, accidentally Christmas vibes. Okay, I'm gonna tidy up the fallout, do my foundation, and we'll be back for some blush bronze highlight and finishing touches. I'll see you in just a second. Okay, I had to take my sweater off. I was burning up. So went ahead and did my complexion and all of that, as well as some bronzer. So everything that I did used on the face today will be listed and linked below, so you can find it and see what all I used. So I went ahead and just kind of softened up the under eye as well. Let that kind of get blended in, and I'm going to throw on some mascara. I'm going to use the Essence Lash Princess today. When I finish filming, I'm going to go turn that air down. Oh my goodness. It is so stuffy. I thought we were supposed to be getting cool weather at some point. Hello? No, just humid. Humid and hot. Now, to move on to some new products here, new to me anyways. Well, one of these is new, and one is new to me. This is from Milani. We have the Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush, and I'm going to use the shade Cheeky Coral today. And then I also have the Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush Glow in Luminoso. So we can do a little combo of these. So I'm going to take a little bit of the Coral Crush, Cheeky Coral, rather. Just a teensy bit of that right there. Teensy bit. Should work that in there. It's very orangey, this shade. I would have called this maybe like honeydew melon or something rather than coral. I don't know if I love that. Doesn't look like what's in the tube. Let's apply a little more and see. Yeah, it's like very orange. Well, that's interesting. Hopefully putting the Luminous over top will kind of calm that down a bit. That oranginess, which, I mean, the shade has its place. just not quite for what I was going for today. Yeah, we'll try to kind of soften that up a bit. Yeah, this would give a little bit more peach added in. So let's take some of this in Luminoso. First time using it, very satisfying. Squirt. Oh, I squirted too much up. That is definitely too much. Yeah, now that is the shade I was looking for. A little more peachy. That's quite pretty. Yeah. Okay. Nice. All right. That looks cool. Okay, now I'm going to do this little extra highlighting, and I'm going to use this Infallible highlighter from L'Oreal. Even though the Luminoso is glowy, this color just really suits the look really well because of that kind of greenish gold flip in there. I'm going to put a little bit on the inner corner, just like a tiny little kiss of it. Just right in here. And along the brow bone. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Nice. All right. So, for lips, I think I want to keep the lips kind of simple and go with this NYX Fat Oil and the Lip Drip formulation. I'm going to line my lips first with a little bit of lip liner. Just go with Cork from MAC. Predictable. All right. Yeah. Here is our look complete. Something kind of vampy and spooky for the holiday season. Ooh, a little bit, not what, well, I don't know what I was thinking this was going to come out to be. Of course it was going to be dark and smoky. Duh. But I really like the way it turned out. I love these kind of hunter green, forest green colors. It's my favorite shade in the world. So yeah, I think this came out really pretty. It's got a little bit of fall moving into maybe a little bit of some spooky Christmas, dark Christmas vibes. Yeah. Whatever you think it might be doing. I like the look a lot. So yeah, Luminoso, this little guy. The Luminoso Liquid Blush and Glow, very pretty. Did enjoy this quite a bit. The cheeky coral is odd. It definitely does not look like that, but it's really cool if you're looking for kind of a yellowy honeydew melon color. It's very unique, very unique. I know a lot of people, well, not a lot of people, but that is a color that is sought after and a lot of indie brands carry it. So hey, check that out. Unless mine's a dud, I don't know. That is all for today. Thank you for hanging out with me and creating a makeup look and just spend a little time together. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Bye now.